Hit that green button that's flashing. Did it come back on?
Yeah. Did y'all ever find the scope?
Can I see your knife?
Did y'all ever find the scope for that?
No.
I thought I saw it. Yeah, Dad taped that down big time. Oh, and you don't like how she does it and you tape it all around.
The mama peek.
No, I don't.
That's me. Just do that.
Alright, move. Talking about me taping stuff. You got tape everywhere. Do you use all your tape at work?
Mm-mm.
I'm surprised.
Do you know what it is?
Me?
Uh-huh.
I do. You'll be you'll find out what it is here in a minute. Or an hour.
An hour. Be here all day. Trying to get this box open.
Do me a favor.
I forgot what she had.
What does Papa want?
What?
Dr. Pepper, but you can wait till she gets through.
And I'm waiting to get my knife back too, so. I'm hungry. What'd you get?
Get out of the way.
That doesn't count.
Seriously?
At least you didn't tape that one.
Thank God.
Y'all should have done that to me. In that big box. Make it little. That'd be funny with another little one.
How did it go? Just because? I didn't want the box to open?
Yeah.
Please be another little box. That would be funny. Does this count? Yeah, it goes right. Styrofoam! Ew! That. There's another little present. I thought it was.
There.
Yeah, can I dump this on
No,
my own?
pick that up. Golly.
Is that scary? It's another little present.
Dad wants to sleep outside on Christmas.
Yeah, Mom.
Nasty weather to be sleeping outside, too.
On the left.
More tape.
On the left, that's another box inside of it.
Just cause.
Just 'cause.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
Let me see. What? Let me see. I'm giving it to you.
That's pretty. It's a necklace.
I thought you said it was.
And some new earrings.
Yeah,
I can take these out.
Yeah, put a stud in me.
Thank you, honey.
Welcome, baby.
I thought you were getting her.